Namaskaram and welcome, my dear viewers, to today's episode. Kanchipuram Varamahalakshmi is an eminent house for exclusive hand-woven saris. We started in 2012 and now we have 17 stores all over South India. Be it the style, quality or price, we have the best for our dear customers. So what are you waiting for? Visit us today and see our beautiful collections, just like the one I am wearing today. Today I am going to show you a beautiful Kanchipattu sarees collection. Let's start with the one I am wearing. It's a beautiful red and lemon yellow colored Kanchipattu saree. Let's see it up close. In the body we have beautiful lotus design in red zari and silver zari. Let's see the border of the saree. In the border, we have beautiful circle buttees in boxes, kaddi design and floral jal, all in golden zari. Moving on to the pallu, there's a beautiful bright red colored pallu. You can see how beautiful it is looking. In this, we have floral jal and diamond buttees and circle buttees in boxes, all in golden zari work. This is the blouse piece with the saree. Look at how nice the blouse is looking with the saree. Lemon yellow and red are going so well together. To place an order for this beautiful saree, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. We have global courier services available and cash on delivery is available only in Hyderabad. Let's start with this beautiful saree. Look at how nice and rich the maroon and the gold are looking together. Let's see the saree up close. In the body of the saree, we have floral and leaf buttees in golden zari. Moving on to the border, we have a nice and wide, rich border with intricate work in golden zari with beautiful zigzag lines, elephant work, peacock work, paisley and shapes and lines, all in golden zari. Look at this rich pallu. The golden and the maroon are looking so beautiful together, and even the work is extravagant. You should see the middle of the saree where we have beautiful diamond brocade work in golden zari, and on the side we have two lines of elephant zari work. To place an order for this beautiful saree, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. We have our stores in Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. So if you wish to see our collections in person, do visit us and shop with us. Look at this light, bright and radiant saree. Look at how nice the colors are looking on this very Kanchipattu saree. Let's see the saree up close. We have a nice light blue colored body with silver dot buttees all over it. Let's see the border of the saree. A beautiful beige colored border. You can see the intricate and the rich work on this border. We have silver zari work all over the border, and we have elephant, peacock and yali buttees all over it. And in the middle we have this whole silver zari brocade work. This is the pallu of the saree. Look at how nice these two colors are going together. The blue and the beige are so beautiful together. In the pallu we have silver zari work all over the pallu with diamond brocade pattern. With this light blue colored saree, we have this beautiful beige colored blouse. To place an order for this radiant saree, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. You can also shop with us by clicking in the link in the description box below. You'll be guided to our website from where you can place an order. Look at this beautiful luxurious saree. The colors and the whole pattern looks so rich and so beautiful. Let's see this saree up close. This is a beautiful royal blue colored saree with copper zari work all over it. In the body, you can see floral buttees with cross checks. We have a beautiful border with this saree. We have copper zari work. We have two lines of floral buttees, and in the center we have lines all made in copper zari. This is the pallu for the saree. We have floral jal, dot buttees in boxes, and we have square buttees in cross checks, all in beautiful copper zari work. And this is the blouse with the saree. Look at how well the copper colored zari is going with the royal blue. To place an order for this luxurious saree, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. Let's see this beautiful saree. It's a pista green colored saree with copper zari work all over it. Look at how amazing these two colors are looking. This whole saree is standing out because of the color combination. Let's see the saree up close. We have small floral buttees in checks all in copper zari work. On the border, we have 2 lines of floral jal, and in the middle of it, we have a lot of lines in copper zari, and you can see these beautiful dot buttis. This is the pallu with the sari. We have floral jal, and in the middle, we have floral buttis with curvy lines. This is the blouse piece with the sari. Look at how beautiful the zari work is there, even on the blouse. To place an order for this sari, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. You can also place an appointment with us for WhatsApp video call. We will contact you, show your beautiful collections, and you can place an order at the comfort of your homes. Look at this beautiful pink colored sari with gorgeous copper zari work all over it. The work on the sari is standing out. Let's see it up close. In the body, we have a all over floral jal body. Let's see this work up close. In the body, we have all over floral jal with peacocks, all in copper zari. Moving on to the border, we have 2 lines of floral buttis, and in the middle, we have kaddi border. Moving on to the pallu of this beautiful sari, we have 2 lines of peacock buttis with a little floral work, and in the middle, we have a lot of lines all in copper zari. This is the blouse piece with this beautiful sari. To place an order for this sari, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. And do follow us on all our social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram and YouTube at KanchiVML Silks to stay updated with our beautiful collections. Look at this beautiful and bright green sari. Look at the work. The silver is standing out in this sari. It's making me look so radiant. Let's see the sari up close. In the body, we have large floral buttis and smaller floral buttis. The larger one has nice dark green colored work with silver work, beautiful silver zari. And in the middle, we have these smaller floral buttis with silver work. In the border of the sari, we have nice kaddi work, and we have lines in silver zari work with small floral buttis and small leaf buttis. With this, we have a kaddi pallu with small floral buttis in lines. We have a nice and bright violet colored blouse with this sari. Look at how well these 2 colors are going together. To place an order for this beautiful sari, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. We have global courier services available, and cash on delivery is available only in Hyderabad. You can also visit us in our stores in Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka for some in-store shopping to see our beautiful collections in person. There are 2 ways you can shop with us online. 1. You select a beautiful sari. Take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 8900010002 and you can place an order. 2. You can click in the link in the description boxes below. You'll be guided to our website from where you can place an order. Do follow us on all our social media platforms, Facebook, YouTube and Instagram at KanchiVML Silks and stay updated with our beautiful collections. Thank you so much for viewing today's episode. I hope you like the collections and I'll see you again with more. Namaskar.